Bushido Business, The Fine Art of the Modern Professional is a book by Tom Hopkins, Stephen M. R. Covey, and Brian Tracy, which explores the principles of the ancient Japanese warrior code known as Bushido, and how they can be applied to modern business practices. The book aims to help business professionals develop the mindset, skills, and habits needed to achieve success in the modern business world. The book starts by discussing the 7 principles of Bushido, which are justice, courage, mercy, politeness, honesty, honor, and loyalty. The authors argue that these principles are just as relevant today as they were centuries ago, and that by incorporating them into their professional lives, business professionals can become more effective leaders, more successful entrepreneurs, and more valuable employees. The authors also discuss how the principles of Bushido can be applied to specific business situations, such as leading a team, managing time, developing relationships, and communicating effectively. They argue that by following the code of Bushido, professionals can develop the discipline, focus, and perseverance needed to achieve their goals and succeed in the fast-paced and competitive business world. The book includes various real-life examples, case studies, and practical tips to help business professionals apply the principles of Bushido in their work. The authors also emphasize that the success in business requires a balance between the development of technical skills and the cultivation of personal virtues. The book also highlights the importance of personal responsibility and taking initiative, as according to the authors, those who follow the Bushido Code take ownership of their actions, are accountable for their performance, and are constantly looking for opportunities to improve. In summary, Bushido Business is a book that explores how the principles of the ancient Japanese warrior code known as Bushido can be applied to modern business practices. The authors present the 7 principles of Bushido: justice, courage, mercy, politeness, honesty, honor, and loyalty, and show how they can help business professionals become more effective leaders, successful entrepreneurs, and valuable employees. The book also offers practical advice and real-life examples on how to apply these principles in specific business situations, and emphasizes the importance of balance between technical skills and personal virtues in order to achieve success in business.